In this session, we will learn how to save our project, which is the ArcMap that we have here for our later on how we can access it, the project. Here, to save our ArcMap, just say here in the main menu, File, Save As, go to the place where we want to save our project, in my case L1 folder, and here please name it my map, so it will be saved with extension of .mxd file. This is very challenging aspect for the first time exercise in ArcGIS, ArcMap. Specifically, students or people are not aware that ArcMap is independent from the data that we are manipulating. ArcMap is an instruction how the map will look like at the end of the day. We call it a map project. So we are able to save our ArcMap, which is a project which is independent from the data set that we have. We have roads and lakes, which is independent from ArcMap. They are being displayed in ArcMap, but they are independent from the project. So the problem arises when we move actually from the PC that we are working into another PC. When we open ArcMap, we may not get the data. That is very challenging. So the issue is because ArcMap doesn't know where the data is when you will move our project in different working system, like in different PC. Actually, to get where the data is, if you highlight roads and right click on it, you get where the data is actually in the source. If you look here, it can show me in the F directory, L1 folder, here is my data. And this data is independent from the project file that I am looking here in ArcMap. So to fix this whole challenge, here is how we do. And here, always think of ArcMap as a recipe or an instruction how our map look like at the end of the day when we display, when we manipulate our data sets. But the data, the roads in this case and lakes, they are the ingredients, the actual data set that we are manipulating being here in ArcMap. So always to get access at the end of the day, our ArcMap and the data, here is the solution. Click here on the file and then map document properties. In this menu, you can see path names here. Always click this one, make the store relative path names to the data source. So always remember to save your ArcMap in the folder where your data is so that you can get it when later on you launch your ArcMap to access the data as well as the project, which is instruction how it look like when you are displaying ArcMap. So say apply and OK. So at this stage, we are able to store our ArcMap, the project file, in the folder in our working directory in our system. Later on, you can close this ArcMap and you can go to the folder where your data is. In my case, in my L1 folder, and my ArcMap here is this file. Sorry. My ArcMap in my working directory is the .mxd file that I saved in a minute. And then if you double click on it, it will display the data at the same time the project that I saved previously. Always remember the data, which is the list, the roads and the lakes, is different from the ArcMap project file. And this is one of the confusing aspects when you are working in ArcGIS. I think you will be clear. Please follow the lab manual as well. And I try to make it detailed so that the students will be comfortable when they are working in ArcMap. Thank you so much for listening. And this is introductory ArcGIS for our course in RES 312, Introduction to Geospatial Information Science, supplementary exercise with ArcGIS. So please listen this video and also follow the manual for the full description, and try to exercise and re-exercise until you become comfortable in using ArcMap. And this is the base for all our coming labs.